Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I've restarted this so many freaking times. It is almost 2 a.m., 1:57 a.m., and it's July 12th and tomorrow's July 13th. And I'm super excited because I've never had any bad luck happen to me on Friday the 13th. Knock on wood. I am not going to bed, I don't think, because I have this really bad habit of not going to sleep and when I really should be sleeping. So yeah, I'm gonna take you along with me today, so hopefully you'll enjoy today's vlogging kind of situation, and let's get on.
Okay, so what's up you guys? So it is 2:18 a.m. and I'm searching through YouTube. I really want to watch House of Anubis, but I might just actually watch that because I rewatched that show so many times, but I don't know where to watch like the full series. Like, I know some people like upload videos of House of Anubis, and I just want to thank y'all for like doing that. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you an update every like hour or two and let you know how I'm doing with no sleep. Part like 3 honestly, because I've gotten no sleep this past week. God guys, I actually found, oh my god, I'm actually really happy right now. I found where I can watch it. Oh my god, my childhood show. I remember watching this in Teen Nick or Nickelodeon or something like that, and I was obsessed. So I'm gonna watch House of Anubis. Nickelodeon, I was right. Hey guys, House of Hanging. So right now it is 4:10 in the morning. What I've been doing recently is watching House of Anubis recently because I'm obsessed with that show. And number 2, I'm very hungry and I had something on my lip with the last clip, so just ignore that. So yeah, I'll see you guys Hey y'all, so it is July 13th, 2018 and 1:45 p.m. and it's been a couple of hours since I've last talked to y'all. Today it's a Friday, and of course because it's Friday the 13th, and I've been watching House of Anubis. I'm on episode 28 to 21. I've been just like having lots of fun rewatching this because this used to be my childhood show, so I'm glad I can watch it. Number 2, I took a shower today, so that's exciting. And number 3, today we're gonna get poke, however the hell you pronounce that name. Please don't let myself get roasted. So we're having poke sushi bowl today, and I'm really excited. So yeah, let's get on started. Hey y'all, so I'm really close to you because the camera, this is the only good angle for it. So I'm going to show you how to make slime in this vlog, so you can't really see me that well. So you won't be able to see my face, but do I care? No. So the first things first that you'll need is any type of PVA glue. I'm using Elmer's glue because that's what's PVA, and you can use any type. You can use glitter glue, you can use clear glue, or you can use white glue or purple. Purple glue. Now you'll also be needing some cups to put your things in, or a bowl, some measuring spoons, baking soda right here, contact solution, and water, which is over there. I might need you to pass me the water. Next, other water. Can I use? Which one should I use? Yeah, let's use the bowl. Okay, so first things first. Get a bowl. Doesn't matter if it's clean or not.
That's
oh my god, I'm
chicken.
And then unscrew the lid from the glue. And then I'm gonna fast forward this, so so once you get all the glue out of your choice, you want to go ahead and grab your measuring spoons.
I love how we're 17-year-olds and 19.
Yeah, you're 17 and I'm 19 and we're making slime out here.
Yeah, that's what cool teens do.
And then your pretty old water.
Hey, I actually drank that water in my defense.
Do you think you care? No. Sammy Terry, who is she? And I'm just doing a little water so it's a little thinner. Oh, that's a lot. That was a fail. Oh, where's the lid? I'm just gonna place it up. And then you want to grab your spoon and start. Okay, now you want to add a dash of baking soda.
A dash.
I added way too much, but do you think I care? No. You're not. Next, you want to add a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of Saline Solution.
That's a tablespoon.
A teaspoon. Oh.
That's a tablespoon, silly.
I'll just add half of it.
I think.
So there you go, that's how you make slime. I made the glitter one and it's perfect consistency. It's stretchy. It's poppable. It's glittery.